Just look at that. Just take a look at that. Let's get it on there. Just take a look at that. That's the pink I'm looking for. I like to eat pink meat. I don't know about you all. That's the pink I'm looking for right there. Right. I just want to show that pink that's in there, right? So from here, it's time to eat. That's it. I want to spoon over just some of that right there. Not much. I'm gonna put some inside my potato. Right. Just a little bit of that. A little bit of that. There you go. Big dog. Big dog. Big dog. I got a couple of jalapenos. You know? And listen. Yeah, hang on. I just want to get you might hear some background noise. Hopefully YouTube don't say nothing about it. But I got a fan right here today. I don't know why I didn't think about it before. I got 3 fans in my crib, and I'm sitting here all the time sweating like a dog. But enough for that. Oh man. I want to make sure you can see. When I say beautiful. Listen. And I got 2 steaks. Two of them. Yo. Super good, right? The perfect amount of fat. And look, I still got some more of this left. So delicious. I want to point something out real quick. Just give me a minute. 1 minute. Because on top of making this video, I was hungry. I bet you sitting there wondering why I didn't touch these carrots. It's not that I don't like, I eat my vegetables, all right? I eat my vegetables. I eat my vegetables. I don't eat my carrots cooked. I eat my carrots raw. I only did this for presentation purposes. That's it. And I had some carrots for another recipe that I did for somebody. And I said, you know what? Put them on a plate. It won't hurt. You ain't got to eat them. The flavors are good. The seasoning is perfect. It's just the texture of a cooked carrot. I don't know if you ever, like, it tastes like kangaroo kisses and frog jumps. You know? I don't know if you ever kissed a kangaroo before, but that's what it tastes like, and it's not pleasant. So, you can keep those carrots. I don't want them. I got what I got right here. My meat potatoes. I'm gonna drink me a nice fruit and vegetable smoothie later. And I'll be straight. But I ain't touching those carrots. I had a knife up here. I'm telling you, I got my fan right here. Want me some nice, yeah. I mean, I'm still sweating, but it's better than my last one. I know y'all was sitting there looking at me like, yo, if you don't get that shit under control, I got it under control. That was that cheese. That's how I normally hold my fork. I be getting in there. But for presentation purposes, I don't want y'all, you know, not that I care, but somebody gonna say something about me being a savage on this plate. And that's okay. I'll take that. That bacon on there with that. And them shallots just pretty much melted down. I cut them so small. I ain't touching them damn carrots. I got one more steak in there. You know what? Because I like to eat the skin off my potato too. When I tell you, got the nice amount of salt, a little bit of heat from that pepper. I'll tell you something. I'm in heaven right now. Simple. This is your guide to the perfect steak. If you ain't eating it pink, you ain't eating it right. You better ask somebody. Still ain't touching those carrots. I don't care. Pay me, I eat them. One of my homeboys, he a chef. Been knowing him for a minute, at least about 10 years. He been cooking a little longer than me, but he told me, he bet me that I could eat his cooked carrots. Almost threw up. It's just the idea of a carrot being cooked and then that texture. No. I eat them raw all day. If I had some raw carrots right here with a spoon of butter, some salt and pepper, raw, I'll tear them up. But cooked, nope. Oh man. I might take a nap. I'm gonna eat that other one. Or I got a better idea. I'm gonna make some steak nachos. Yep. Almost done. Nah. If my OG, my mom's, see this, I have a hand across my head. because I ain't eat my everything on my plate. Mm. Let me tell you something. You're probably gonna hear me say it again, but it was the best steak I had in a while. Since the last time I made a steak video. You're probably gonna hear me say it again. Listen. Thank you for watching. You got any questions, let me know. Drop them in the comments. If you, you, right there, if you want me to cook your favorite food with an elevated twist, let me know in the comment section of that comment box. I'll be more than happy to do it. You hear me? You got a favorite childhood dish you like you ain't had in a while? Let me know. I'll cook it. Show you. And listen, y'all sleeping on my Jueves Rancheros. Check it out. I mean, if the thought of having eggs for breakfast with beans somehow sounds displeasing to you, trust me. Don't knock it till you try it. All right. Thanks for watching. Peace.